Hello everyone, Aaron Janz here from the Stearns County Conservation Office, bringing you this week's edition of the Conservation Report. Spring is almost here and our tree sale is going strong. And there's still time to order, but supplies are getting limited. The Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District Tree Program was developed to provide landowners with an affordable and convenient way to purchase trees and shrubs for conservation practices such as windbreaks, shelter belts, living snow fences, and wildlife habitat. The tree program is on a first-come, first-served basis. This year, we have 6 species of shrubs, 12 species of hardwood trees, and 7 species of conifers. Some of the species are already out of stock. A complete list of trees and shrubs still available can be found on our website, SWCD.net. Tree and shrubs are sold in bundles of 25, and there's no minimum order amount. Trees are bare root stock and typically 6 to 18 inches in size depending on species. New this year, we are offering pollinator seed packets. The packets are sold in 2 sizes, one that covers 100 square feet and one that covers 500 square feet. Tree pickup will be sometime in early May this year. Trees not picked up during the scheduled pickup day will be subject to a $20 per day storage fee. You can now order online, and it is super simple. Go to SWCD.net, select Tree Sales at the top of the web page, select your tree species, enter the amount of bundles you would like, and pay through our secure payment checkout. If we don't have the tree or shrub species you're looking for this year, contact us to get on our mailing list so that you know when the tree sale starts next year. Also coming up, Nitrogen Fundamentals Workshop. The Nitrogen Smart Fundamentals Workshop training presents the fundamentals for maximizing economic return on your nitrogen investment and minimizing nitrogen losses. You can learn about different sources of nitrogen for crops, how nitrogen is lost from the soil and how you can help reduce those losses, how to manage nitrogen in drainage systems, what the new nutrient reduction strategy and nitrogen fertilizer plan mean for Minnesota producers, and how split applications, alternative nitrogen fertilizers, soil and tissue testing, and nitrogen models and other tools are used to refine your management approach. Dates coming up are Tuesday, March 26th in Becker at the Sherburne History Center, Wednesday, March 27th in Melrose at the Melrose City Center, and Thursday, March 28th in Little Falls at the Cass Gilbert Depot. All of these Nitrogen Smart Fundamental Workshops start at 9 a.m. and run until noon that same day. In the Melrose location, there will be an advanced manure nitrogen management session in the afternoon from 1 to 4 p.m. So if you have manure in your crop rotation, check out Wednesday, March 27th in Melrose at the Melrose City Center. One last thing to touch on, Stearns County Spring Road Restrictions took effect on March 19th. If you need more information on that and what those restrictions are, please go to the Stearns County website to find more information. Again, this is Aaron Janz with the Stearns County Conservation Office bringing you this week's edition of the Conservation Report.